Hello, amazing viewers. I'm Annie, and welcome to today's fun and exciting game, Guess the Apple Recipe. If you love apples as much as I do, then you're going to enjoy this challenge. Here's how it works. I'll give you 3 hints about a recipe, and you have to guess what it is. Sounds easy, right? Let's see if you can get them all right. So, grab your thinking caps and let's dive into the delicious world of apples. Are you ready? Let's begin. This first recipe is a classic dessert loved all over the world. Here are your hints. Hint 1, it's made with a flaky pastry crust and sweet, spiced apple filling. Hint 2, it originated in England during the 14th century. Hint 3, it's often served warm with vanilla ice cream on top. Alright, you've heard all the hints. Do you have your guess locked in? Take a moment to think. Could it be what you're imagining? Let's find out. The answer is apple pie. Did you know it's often called the symbol of American culture? Did you get it right? If yes, give yourself a high five, and if not, don't worry, there are more rounds to come. Here's the next one, a comfort food favorite. Hint 1, this dessert has a crunchy topping made with butter, flour, and sugar. Hint 2, it's baked until golden brown and served warm. Hint 3, it's often paired with custard or whipped cream. Okay, time's up. Do you think you figured it out? Let's see if your guess matches the correct answer. And the answer is apple crumble. A delicious, warm dessert perfect for cold days. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. This one's a festival favorite. Can you guess? Hint 1, it's made by dipping apples in a sticky, golden syrup. Hint 2, it's served on wooden sticks. Hint 3, it's a popular treat during Halloween. That's all the hints you're getting. What's your final answer? Lock it in because I'm about to reveal the truth. It's caramel apples. They were invented in the early 1900s by a candy maker. Were you close, or did you nail it? Tell me below. And that's all for today's Guess the Apple Recipe game. How many did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a fun challenge like this. Turn on the notification bell to be the first to join our next game. The fun isn't over yet, more exciting videos are on the way. See you in the next one. Bye bye.